Now, if I may ask, how many of you know how to use the red envelope voucher you see on 1688? How many of you know how to use that bonus point? How many? Let me know in the comments. So now I want to teach you all how to use it. I mean, sometimes you get as high as 150 yuan, 200 yuan. I mean, money you can spend for free to buy stuff for free. Some of you don't know, you've been allowing your money to expire. You've been allowing free money on 1688 to expire. So I'm here to show you practically how to check your voucher, know how much you have and how much you can use to shop for free on 1688. It is that interesting. So what you need to do is, I don't know if you can see my screen right now. Let me be sure you can see my screen, because I tried recording this video yesterday but my screen was not showing clearly. Guys, you can see my screen right now. This is my 1688 app. Just click on your profile, it will bring you to this interface, and then you can see where it's written voucher. Go ahead and click on that voucher. I have about 100 yuan and my clock is clicking fast. Now you can see 100 yuan there, and you can see I have just about 51 minutes before this will expire, before this 100 yuan will be useless. You can see I have just about 51 minutes. Now I might not make use of it, but I want to show you how to use it. If you translate, it tells you that you can use 100 yuan. I mean, you have 100 yuan bonus when you shop items that are worth 1,000 yuan or more. We shop stuff that are above 1,000 yuan and more. I mean, most of the time. Can you see there? You can see under it is written 1,000 yuan and more. So all you need to do when you see any of this is just click on that orange bar. Is that orange or red? And then you check the product here. I mean, most times you cannot shop outside the product you're seeing here, so you just need to check the product to see if the item you want to buy is listed under here. Then you can go ahead, add to cart. When it's 1,000 RMB worth or more, you will get 100 yuan discount. Okay, now you just need to check. Most times you cannot come and search for your own product. You need to check it. You can see what's written here. It says my bonus total, one piece bonus pending. The total bonus I have now is 100 yuan, and this bonus, for you to use it, you need to shop up to what, 1,000 RMB worth of items plus or more than. Okay, so let's see, let me just add a particular product. Let's say I want to buy this bag, this laptop bag. Now let's add 10. Since it's 75, no, it will not give us 1,000. Let's add 12. Let's add up to 12. 12 is 900. Let's add one more. Okay, let's say I'm buying 14 pieces of this laptop bag. I might even decide to buy it too. 14 pieces of this laptop bag, blue zipper. I will go for the black if I want to buy this laptop bag. I sell laptop bags, right? But of course I'm not gonna buy at this price. I would definitely have to charge the supplier, get discount and all of that. But I just want to show you how to make use of your bonus, okay, whenever you see money in your voucher. Now allow it to load. Can you see the total we are supposed to pay? Watch closely, come closer. I don't know if you need to come closer, you need to bring your face closer to your screen. You can see that my total item there is 1,050 yuan. Can you see it? 1,050 yuan, zero shipping fee, and then you can see store discount, 10 yuan. The store is giving me 10 yuan discount. And then my bonus points, can you see? I need to underline this because some of you be like, Onya, I don't understand. Let me use my brush. Now you can see the total worth of the item there, which is 1,050 yuan. The store is not charging me for shipping. They are not charging me for shipping within China. It's free. There you can see the store discount I'm getting. The store is still giving me discount of 10 yuan. Now remember my bonus of 100 yuan. Can you see what I cycled? Now what I'm paying in total is just 940. Can you see? It's a good discount. What do you think? It's a good discount. What I'm paying now is what? 940. Do you all understand how to use this now? I want to see if I can buy this. Let me see if I want to buy this stuff. Let's check and see, because because trust me, 100 yuan is a lot. I mean, today yuan is around 213. Let's go to our calculator. Yuan is around 213. 100 times 213, you're getting discounts of 21,000 naira. 21,000 naira a day here is a lot. So this is how to use it. If you've not been using it, you've been allowing yours to expire, please start checking it and start using it. And don't forget, our last importation training of the year is commencing 21st of December. Have you registered? 15,000 naira only. You learn a lot. There are hidden things you don't know about 1688 that I'll be teaching you in that training. You definitely don't want to miss. So go ahead right now, click the link you see down here in my description. Click on that title, it will take you to the description. Click on that link, go register for that training. Or if you cannot use the link, my WhatsApp number is on the screen. Register for that training. It is just 15,000 naira. You get a whole lot of knowledge that will help you shop better, import better, use the right shipping companies, have the right contacts. You definitely don't want to miss. So I can't wait to see you all in class. I love you.